We reached this line here, and now we will talk about streams. So let's have a new line here and see. So stream is a Python module that has base classes for dealing with groups of position objects. And the stream.stream is a fundamental container for Music21 objects, and objects may be ordered and or placed in time based on offsets from the start of this container. As a subclass of Music21 object, streams have offsets, priority ID, and groups. Streams may be embedded within other streams, as each stream can have its own offset. When streams are embedded, the offset of an element is relative only to its parent. Here on chapter 4 of the user's guide of Music21, we have some introduction to streams. So this stream object and its subclasses like score, part of measure are the fundamental containers for Music21 objects such as notes, chords, clefs, and time signature objects. In this context, a container is like a Python list or an array in some other languages. Objects stored in a stream are generally spaced in time, and each stored object has an offset, usually representing how many quarter notes it lies from the beginning of the stream. Oh, for example, in a 4x4 measure of 2 half notes, the first note will be at an offset 0.0 and the second at offset of 2.0. Streams further can store other streams, permitting a wide variety of nested, ordered, and timed structures. Commonly used subclasses of streams include the score, part, and measure. And it's important to grasp that anytime we want to collect and contain a group of Music21 objects, we put them into a stream. So here in this line, we are creating a stream, and this stream is S. And now we can do a lot of things with this stream. So for example, we can append. We can get elements by ID, by class, by group. We can get time signatures. And here on the documentation, we will find explanations about streams, attributes, and methods. In our case here, we see that we create a stream, then we create a key, and then we insert this key into our stream. This we will discuss in our next tutorial.